Grace, and I'm going to teach you how to make a pressed flower candle for our May 2024 Adult Take and Make Kit. So we have provided you with a taper candle, a tea light candle, 2 dried ferns, 2 dried flowers, and a paintbrush, and we'd recommend using your own lighter or matches. So first you're going to take your lighter or your matches and you're going to carefully light your tea light candle. Always use caution with fire. And then you're just going to have to wait a bit for that candle to melt down so that you have enough melted wax to work with. Then, once you've decided how you want to arrange your dried flowers and ferns on your candle, you're going to take your paintbrush, dip it into the wax, and working very quickly because the wax dries very, very quickly, spread the wax on your dried flowers or ferns as thinly as possible to help it adhere to the candle. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you do have any stubborn bits of flower or fern that are not sticking to the candle, even if you're using the wax correctly, what you can do is, if you feel comfortable using a lot of caution, just take your finger and press it into that soft wax of the candle and it should stick. And be sure not to use too much wax when adhering the dried fern or flower to the candle, or else you'll get kind of a lumpy white look to your candle. It's better if it's as thin as possible. And that's it. It's quite a simple process, and at the end of it you have a beautiful custom pressed flower candle, and you can gift it or keep it for yourself. And don't miss our upcoming adult programs.